Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have the recipe for you for a pizza chaffle, the chaffles that are taking the internet by storm, but with a twist. This pizza chaffle has no eggs and no cheese in it, and it's come out absolutely amazing. I have it right here. Let me show you what it looks like. Here you go. Look at that. You can pick it up like a normal. See the bottom? It's like a proper dough. The cheese should be on the top of a pizza like we've always been used to. So let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. So let's begin. We begin with 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of whey protein isolate. Then we have 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And then we put in 2 tablespoons of warm water. Next goes in salt to taste. And I forgot to put the xantham gum earlier, so that's 1/8 of a teaspoon of xantham gum. Get your little mini waffle iron ready. I have the griddle one, and I've put in all the mixture and let this little griddle do its work. Now, when it's almost cooked, maybe just a minute before, I'm putting on some pizza sauce and some mozzarella cheese on top. That's exactly where it's meant to be. And some pepperoni pieces. And then you just cook it for another 30-35 seconds. And here we have it, the most amazing dough-like pizza chaffle with no eggs and no cheese. Bye then.